Flooding reported in historic Ellicott City in the last few days, but nothing like the devastation we've seen hit Main Street over the years. Now, here's the great news. The Safe and Sound Plan, which was created in 2018, appears to be working well. Howard County community reporter Dennis Valera on your corner along Main Street tonight. And Dennis, you spoke to a business owner there who has to be happy that this plan is working out.
You can definitely say that, Rick. When I talked to her, she says that she is just elated that we haven't seen anything major and that the proof is in the pudding. The flooding has mostly been off of the streets and the water mostly in the waterways around here in historic Ellicott City. Now, the last few days we've seen nearly 6 inches of rainfall here. That's nearly the amount that fell back in 2018 during the last catastrophic event.
When it rains like it did Monday and Sunday in historic Ellicott City, Cindy Ryland says a wave of fear comes over her.
What we go through here every time it rains, we all just hold our breath. It's frightening, but we're here and we're resilient.
Ryland has been a business owner on Main Street for decades as owner of vintage and antique store Retropolitan and selling out of the Stonehouse Collective. So she's lived through the floods of 2011, 2016, and 2018.
Hey, Jim, I may have to buy some more uranium glass.
But she's also seen the implementation of the Ellicott City Safe and Sound Plan.
I'm filling it up.
Which includes a series of projects like the North Tunnel meant to redirect flooding away from Main Street. Also, before a big rain event, public works crews inspect streams, clear debris in the watershed to keep water flowing. Signage to show where to get to high ground and a tone alert system have also been put in place. Howard County Executive Calvin Ball.
No longer is Ellicott City going to be known as the place that flooded. It's the place that came back. It's the place that's resilient. It's the place where the community comes together.
More progress still needs to be made. Several safe and sound projects still need to be constructed. But Ryland says she's happy to see some positive impact already.
It has just been so close every time, and we've survived every time without any flooding on Main Street.
Now, the projects under the Safe and Sound Plan that still need to be done include 3 retention ponds, the North Tunnel project, and as well as a system of culverts here in historic Ellicott City. The North Tunnel is expected to be done by 2027. Reporting live on your corner in Ellicott City, Dennis Valera for WJZ.
All right, Dennis, great coverage there. Well,